QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside after we continued to hold above our key area of support above the $56. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the $69.1. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis and reasons why we can easily see more than a 10x as long as significant key areas of support continues to hold. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside and we picked in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a high above the $81. And after we picked in that ABC corrective structure, we started another movement to the lower side, where you can see that we have continued to lose significant key areas of support, like this area that lies between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And in that breakdown move, we were able to find support above the $56, which has now slightly given us a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside. And for us to see higher prices, we need to see a 5-wave structure from these lows that we made over here and a break above significant key areas of resistances. The moment we see a 5-wave structure to the upside, then that will be suggesting that we are going to get a bit of a reversal to the upside, and we are not going to see that impulsive movement to the lower side to give us a reset of significant lows that we made on the 5th of August over here below the $50. And that is the worst case scenario that I have in mind in case we don't see that 5-wave structure to the upside and a break above significant key areas of resistances. And that means that in case we lose that bullish momentum, also based on what BTC will continue doing in the next coming hours, there's a chance that we can easily see QNT giving us a breakdown move back into support above the $56. And if that continues to hold, then we can expect another bounce back. But on losing this key area of support over here, I will be expecting a breakdown move having the lows that we made on the 5th of August at $50 as my next target areas. And on holding that key area of support, there's a chance of a bounce back. And on losing $50, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move. And that is better explained using the daily chart, where I still believe that from the bear market lows, we saw an impulsive movement to the upside in a 5-wave structure that peaked above the $229, giving us a high in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2 over here, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's. And you can see that the target area lies between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, an area that we have now fully maximized. And at some point we lost the Fib level 0.78, having the last line of support, which is the Fib level 0.88, as our last line of support. That is our last line of hope. And you can see that at some point this week we had lost the Fib level 0.88 at $62.5, flipping it back into resistance. And if by any chance we see QNT holding below this key area on the Fibonacci's, there's a high chance that we are going to see a total breakdown move, in a move that will easily give us a reset of the bear market lows at $40. We also need to have in mind that in case we get a bounce back above the Fib level 0.88, then we need to see a 5-wave structure to the upside to show that we have that momentum to continue pushing the price higher, and also increasing the likelihood that we are going to see a massive breakout move to the upside in the next coming months in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 that can easily take us to new all-time highs. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.